Hey guys, I'm going to show you how I like to restart a fire with some embers that have been kind of sitting in the wood stove here, kind of covered up, insulated. So what I'm going to do is just kind of uncover what I got going on in here, find my embers, and push some of this ash out of the way, and then I like to clean out my air port, make sure it's opened up. All my fresh air comes in right here. So I want to make sure I got good flow. We're just going to dig out some of these embers and pull them up to the front here. Trying to leave the ash behind and just grab the embers. Alright, so there's not much there, but it should be more than enough to get it going. So what I like to do is get my wood stacked in here. Alright, now that I've got that filled back there, I like to grab a few of these skinnier pieces, just some scrap laying around. I'll throw that on top here. And then I also will grab, everybody's got a bunch of these just laying around, kind of oddball shaped. I like to throw them right on top of the little coal, or the little ember pile right up front here. And that is going to eventually take off here and light, and then once this stuff lights here, it's going to light the rest of it. So we're going to shut the door. Per my manufacturer instructions, they recommend leaving the door cracked, so I'm just going to go ahead and shut it a little bit and just latch it a little bit so it's not going to just pop open, but there is an air gap there. It's just going to allow it to breathe a little bit better. And I've got both my dampers here opened up to get some good airflow. So I'm going to let this go here, and I'll come back in about 5-10 minutes and take a look at it, and we'll see where we're at. So now the fire's cruising along pretty good. You can see those front logs are burning up pretty good, and got some good embers going. So we're at about 300 degrees. I'm going to shut the door here, or latch it all the way, and we're going to leave the dampers open and get it up to about 350 before I shut down the dampers a little bit. Maybe you guys have some other ways that you like to start a fire with the coals, and maybe you have something that works better. If you do, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys do and let me know what you think. I always like hearing feedback, and there's always room for improvement. I'd love to hear from you guys and what you guys think. If you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks again for watching, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.